I'm Van Van, and today I'm going to show you a couple crew vans. I'm going to show you a van that is super loaded with a lot of really cool factory features, and I'm going to show you a van that's super basic, a very standard option van. This is a 2019 144 high roof crew van in black with a 4x4 and a diesel engine. Crew van comes standard with 4 windows, that's 2 rear windows, 2 side windows, roof trim with the insulation on the inside and lights. It comes with a wood floor most of the time, but it is a paid for option. Prior to 2019, the crew van actually came standard with the wood floor with a little rubber coating on it, so 2019 and forward, it's optional charge. The storage pockets in the back rear windows are standard on the van. It's just any van with a window comes with the little storage pockets. Crew vans are standard with 5 seats, a driver and passenger seat, a removable bench right behind the driver and passenger for seating of 3, total of 5. The single wheels are optional as the crew van is available in a 3500 or 2500. The 3500, whether it's 4x4 or not, is standard with the dual wheels. And 2019 was actually the first year of the 3500, or heavy duty, I should say, crew van. These parking sensors are not standard on the van. Again, it's an optional piece of equipment. This van happens to have the 360 camera with the parking assist package, and the parking sensors are on the front bumper and rear bumper. This van is equipped with the 10.25-inch MBUX screen. It has navigation and satellite, really cool feature for this year. The multifunction steering wheel pairs up with the navigation screen, and it has buttons on both sides, and it's leather wrapped, very nice. The leatherette seats in this van are optional. It is a very inexpensive option, and I highly recommend it. The seats on the rear part, the 3-person bench seat, is a standard rear seat. There is an option for a comfort package that gives you a reclining rear seat. That's probably the only thing this van doesn't have, along with the electric sliding door. This is a manual sliding door. The chrome grille is a really cool addition. It comes in an appearance package. The half wall panels on the bottom of the van is standard on the vans, but it's optional standard, so you'll see a charge for it, but it is on all of the crew vans. Power side mirrors are optional. The trailer hitch pre-wiring is a wiring harness that comes standard on all 2019 Sprinters. Really cool feature because you can just pay for installation on a trailer hitch and then they plug the wiring harness in there, so this one comes with the 7-way so that you've got the brake lights for your trailer. The parking package with the surround view camera gives you a top-down view of the car. Underneath the side mirrors is a camera that gives you the feeling that you're looking from bird's eye view down, so you can see everything around you. Standard headlights, that's it. So my favorite feature about the crew van, or I should say my favorite thing about the crew van, is probably it is my favorite type van, especially the 4-wheel drive, because you can take them off-road, you can have a great start for a camper inside, or you can just load them up like this one and use it on the parkway and have a great time while you're going to work. So the crew van is typically used for people that want to drive on the parkway. That's what I tend to notice in the Northeast. A lot of people use them as a start for a camper or something along the lines of building onto it from the inside because it has the windows on the side. A lot of people do the vented windows on the back or T-windows. And then you've got the partial insulation, so you're not paying for a whole entire interior, but it gives you a nice start. This is a 2019 144 2500 high roof crew van, 4-wheel drive, super base model. This van comes standard with a high roof. It's got the plastic floor. It is an option from the factory, but it's less expensive than the wood floor. You'll probably never see a crew van without some sort of floor in there. So even though it's standard, even though it's optional, it is like a standard optional. Again, we have the 2 rear windows, 2 side windows, the roof trim on the inside with the lights. It's got an insulation underneath the roof. You've got the PVC wall paneling underneath there, the storage compartments in the back underneath the windows. The rear heat and vent is standard actually on all crew vans, so it's just a little tiny vent right here that will come up so the people that are sitting in the bench, if you don't have your bench out, can get a little bit of air from the front. It's not a separate air conditioning from the front, it's all within. The Steering wheel does not come standard leather, and it does not come standard with all the buttons that you see on the multifunction steering wheel. Again, this is a super base van. All 2019 Sprinters come standard with power locks, power windows, and power keyless entry. This van does not have power mirrors, so you do have to either carry around a broomstick with you to move the right side or adjust them as you sit down. The standard radio that comes with the vans looks very basic, but it has a lot of cool functions. There is a Bluetooth audio, and a USB charging port, and there's also a USB-C right on the front center of it. There are 4 cup holders on each side for the driver and passenger, and then these are the standard headlights that come on all vans, and the standard front grille with no chrome. What I really like about this van is the price point. It's about $13,000 less expensive than the other one, and it's a great start for someone that just wants to get into a 4x4 van. People that typically buy this van are really f***ing cheap. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is I Want to Be Your Van. I will be your van resource for all information. If you want to ask me any questions or contact me for a deal, you can find me on social media, or you can subscribe to my channel. Please do that anyways.